I should be live on Twitch as well. Yes. Okay. What music am I listening to here? Isn't this supposed to be lo-fi? Anyway, if you're watching from YouTube or LinkedIn, hello Whitney, how are you? I advise you to go to Twitch because I think that looks better. Anyway, why are you not playing? Are you playing now? Yeah, it's playing now. But I'm gonna put it a bit down. That is zero lo-fi. That's like... what's happening? No. Wait, I'm gonna change. Let's put chill. Come on. My computer is getting slow because I'm doing restream and Streamlabs at the same time. I think it froze. Can you all still hear me? Okay. Anyway, there's that. Okay, it's going now. Right, so I am streaming from LinkedIn, YouTube, improsdev.com, somewhere. LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitch. So I hope it looks good. I really hope so. Please let me know if I get like frozen or something. And alright, I wonder if I can record, or maybe that's gonna be too much. That's fine. Anyway, let's share the screen. Share screen, share screen, share screen. Show it. Show the screen. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take off the chat from YouTube and LinkedIn just a moment. But if you are on Twitch, you can just go ahead and see me. Hola, Ram. I wonder if I can just put this thing instead. Oh well, I'm gonna leave it like that. And this screen is so small. Oh my god. Oh! What did I do? I guess that's the best I can hope for. Alrighty. Anyway, we are back to Anypoint Race API. Yay! If you are not familiar with Anypoint Race API, I'm gonna say that again. Search for Anypoint Race in Google. Just search for it. You will get to this integration quest thingy. Anypoint Speedway. Click on that and it will take you to this beautiful screen with that beautiful car. Anypoint Speedway, and then if you scroll down you will get to the register today button. If you click on it, oh wait, I forgot the music for YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay. You will get here, which is where I was. So it says, welcome to our newest racer, Alex Martinez. That is me. And these are the instructions. Oh, This is new. This was not here just a moment before. Look, this is where I am right now. Yeah, this was not here. I'm pretty sure this was not here. Anyway. Okay, so there are the instructions. Here's the track. This is beautiful. I was actually just about to do this now in this stream because this makes more sense. So your race client, which is whatever you're calling this from. In my case, I started calling it from this thing, Thunder client. So whatever you are calling this from, it can be Postman or it can be MuleSoft or whatever. Like I'm doing it from Visual Studio Code. So this is your race client. You have to register. To send the register, you send it to the race API. To start, you send it to the race API. Once you send the start, the race API is gonna send a race token to your racer API. And then it's gonna return the racer ID. So it's gonna return the token back to your race client. Yes. And then you do another lap or finish. That's basically how this is working. So I implemented my racer API, which is this one. I implemented it here using Anypoint Code Builder in the previous live stream. So if you just go to my Twitch channel, you can either see it here on the top or here on the right. Go to my Twitch channel and there you will be able to see part 1 of this, which was earlier today. So I built all of this in part 1. Pretty much it just returns the race ID. Hey Diane, I haven't seen you in so long. Nice to see you here. I hope you are also competing in the Anypoint race soon, because that would be awesome. And again, please go to Twitch. It's just easier for me to keep track of everything. I'm not always gonna be doing YouTube and LinkedIn, so please go to Twitch. Hey! Great to be here. I am. Okay, awesome. Okay, so anyway, I got this working. Whitney told me to go hop in here. Woohoo! Got a new follower. Ryan, thank you for following me. I really appreciate it. It looks way better on Twitch, right? I will send the Twitch link. Thank you, Whitney. Really appreciate it. Alrighty. So all of the integration quest folks are here with me now. Now I feel pressured. A little bit. Anyway, I think the hardest thing was just to get Anypoint Code Builder running because it was just a mess. It took me like 40 minutes just to get this thing ready. But it's a beta. It's a beta. It's okay. It's gonna be better once it is GA. Okay, so here's the Anypoint Code Builder thing. This is working. Let me... where is the thing? Okay, 24? Was 24? Yes. Oh no, why did you do this to me? Anypoint.mulesoft.com. Let's just refresh. Sometimes I want to say my password out loud. Oh, you found the new diagram. Thanks to Whitney for suggesting that. Yeah, I was telling at the beginning of the stream that I was just about to do that diagram myself because I am a visual person. It was super confusing for me to visualize everything. Hello from YouTube. Thank you for joining. Okay, so here's the thing. Let's see the logs. What? What do you mean not found? I don't know why that happened. Okay, anyway, let's try this again. I saw 2 slashes. in a row. Or maybe it was when I was doing the API slash. Anyway, so this is my racer. You know what? Let me create environment stuff in Thunder Client. Global environment. Let's do, how can I, host. Yeah, let's just do host. Let's not overcomplicate things. Okay. So it was this host. Let's do the whole thing. No, I lost my, here it is. Okay, so Anypoint Race API URL. Let's do that thing. Okay, save. So now how do I use this thing? From here, is it the same as Postman? Perhaps? Yay, it's the same as Postman. Sweet. Okay, so there's that. Also, let's change it in the register just because. Okay, register, start, finish. Sweet. And now, okay, I can close this. No. And then, so for the register, I already have the thing. Let's save the racer ID because this is never gonna change. Oh yes, Twitch is so much better. Dev Alex Martinez Twitch. Yes, thank you, Diane. Yeah, Restream, because I don't have the paid version of Restream. So, yes, thank you. I don't have the paid version of Restream, so it looks weird. I cannot make a better quality, I believe. Yeah, I'm already doing the highest definition I can. Sorry. But on Twitch, I can totally do that blurry. Yes, blurry. But on Twitch, I can totally control that because it's free to use Streamlabs OBS or Streamlabs desktop. So it's fine. Alright, so Racer ID. It's my thing. Save. Looks nice on Twitch. Thank you, Ryan. And thank you, Whitney, for sharing the Twitch on LinkedIn. Really appreciate it. Okay, so again, I put my Racer ID. So now in the start, this is the Anypoint Racer URL. And this is the race ID, this is the response. This is also my race ID, right? Yes, this is my racer ID. Racer ID. Matches, right? Yeah, racer ID, yes. All right, so there's that. I don't have my, damn it. I always forget to cast my damn keyboard. Okay, there it is. You can see my keyboard now. And racer ID, and then the URL. Okay, and then to finish, this is the token. This returns the race ID. So this race ID will be changing depending on what is sent, but let's save it as well. Race ID. Because I'm just trying this out for now, eventually I will build the stuff I need. Okay. race ID, start and finish. So racers, okay. This is racer ID and then races. This is race ID. Finish, okay. But then I have to send this token, and this token comes back from start, right? Right? Okay, let's see. Let's send the start. It returns this. This is my new race ID. Again, I'm doing this by hand just because I don't know. Like to make my life miserable, I guess. And now let's see what happens. Yeah, so it just says finished and it sends me this. I think this is the token. So it returns the token. Where was I supposed to put the token? Here, right? Yes, here. And then send, and it finishes. Yes! So that's all that I need to do. Perfect. Now, here comes the... In part 1, did you do your app? Yes, that is correct. Digital DK. aka Digital D, aka Diane. Yes, I did my thing. Danielle says in LinkedIn, is the screen blurry for anyone else? Yes. I don't have a paid version, so I cannot really change this thing. But if you go to Twitch, you will see the screen so much better. So just go to Twitch. Pedro. Sebastian. Sorry. All right, so let me put this here. Go to Twitch to see HD. Maybe I should Twitch. Okay. There it is. Now from LinkedIn and YouTube, you can see go to Twitch to see HD. Because I do not have this thing unless I'm missing... No, I don't think I'm missing any settings. I think it just hates me. Video, general, high definition. Yeah, I cannot do HD. Oh well. C'est la vie. Alright, so yes, I created the Anypoint Racer API. No, Anypoint Racer app. Oh yes, much better. Yay! I guess this is Diane. I mean, not Diane. Danielle. Right. Perfect. Anyway, I did the Anypoint Racer app. Yay. Cool. Thank you, Danielle, for coming. Doing Anypoint Code Builder, it was miserable because it was taking like forever. And I had to redo it like 3 times because I was getting the RAML from here, but then it decided that it did not like me. So I had to redo this thing like 3 times. But anyway, once we had that working, this was pretty much just modifying this flow, which is literally just creating a deal with response like this one. So I can get the race ID, the racer ID, and the token. The other thing that I noticed is that here I'm in the logger, I'm sending finished, and then I'm sending the payload. But if we take a look at Cloud Hub, let me zoom in here. I have finished, which is the first log, but then in the second log, payload is basically just the token, which is weird. I feel like this transform message is somehow not being run. I don't know what's happening, but it does return me what I needed. What I needed to return me, because if I manually send a URL to my like Anypoint Racer app, which is in Cloud Hub, I will correctly. Wait, what? Did I not change that? Race ID, Racer ID token. Anyway. New follower, yay! Dancing avocado. Well, if I send this, that happens. So if I go here, like 1, 2, 3 is basically the token that is being sent here. So the token is being sent by the race API. Let me show this thing again here. So from my race client, I'm sending the start, which is this one, and I'm sending the URL to my Cloud Hub application. So I send the start to the race API. The race API sends the race token to my racer API and then returns the racer ID. Like I return the racer ID to the race API. And then the race API returns the response of start to my race clients. So I'm getting back the race token. I'm getting here the race token, and here I'm getting back the racer ID. No, the race ID. Damn it. I'm getting back the race ID. Ryan, your diagram is wrong. Yes, I'm getting back the race ID in this start thing. Yes. You know what? I don't trust you anymore, Ryan. You made me lose. This sounds like me earlier. What was the whiteboard thing? Oh, I lost it. Manic had sent me a whiteboard that was super good, but now I cannot find it. Start a whiteboard. I am getting better at documentation, slowly. Okay. I forgive you, Ryan. I would swear that I had a whiteboard somewhere, but I cannot see it now. Oh well. Okay. So I have, let's base on this thing. Your race client. So that would be not this one. New follower, yeah, Whittles the Mule. Love it. Yes, it wouldn't be this one, it would be basically like my other application. So let's call it the same as Ryan, your race client. Your race client shape. Yes. Your race client. Okay. Okay. My race client sends the register to the race API. Yes. Your race client. So here, Alex, mine. And then I'm sending something to the Anypoint Race API. Why? Let's do this 24, no, 18. Let's do this 18. Okay. Anypoint Race API. Can I change the color just so I know? Oh, that's awful. Blue. Ah, damn it. Blue. Okay, Anypoint Race API. This is this one. So like wherever Ryan has his thing. So I'm gonna put here Ryan. That makes me feel better. Okay, so I send the register. Yes. Send the. Ooh, this is nice. Thank you, Diane. /register. Okay. So I send the register with what? Where in the world is my thing? Here. Name and email. Can I put a note perhaps here? Name, email. How come this one is super big? Oh, because it gets automated. Okay. Let's change this to yes. /register with name and email. And then I get back. Where is the thing? Sure. I get back name, email, racer ID, which is what matters. Racer ID and yeah, okay, client ID. But I only care about racer ID by this point. So, okay, there's that. So your REST client first sends the register and gets the name, email, racer ID, and client ID, and then sends the start to the same place. So now let's do from here to here. And let's just copy this and paste it here. Start. I'm also gonna put numbers because that makes me feel better. 1 register. Or you know what? No, I'm gonna put the numbers later. Register, start. And when I send the start, I send my racer URL to the Cloud Hub application. Okay, so here, racer URL, Cloud Hub, racer API. Yeah, good enough. Racer URL, Cloud Hub, Racer API. Okay. And then I get back the race ID, and that's all. And that is your app? No, this is to Ryan. And Ryan is gonna return back here the race ID. The race ID. Oh man, I don't know how to put this. Here. Race ID. The racer URL that you are sending in, that's your app. Ah, yes. Okay, so racer API. Let's put this in a different font. Can I? I don't think I can. Well, let's do italics and underlined. Racer API. Okay. It returns the race ID. And then it calls my API And where is my API? And it sends the token, right? Yes. So it sends the race token to my racer API and I return the racer ID. So now this is mine. Let's put it over here so we can kind of see the differences. This is racer API, Cloud Hub racer API, and this is going to be underlined in italics so we can know which one is which. Okay, so this is mine, this is mine, this is Ryan's. And then once I send this, so let me start putting numbers now because now this is gonna get complicated. So first, here's the color. Let's do purple and white and 24 volt. Okay, good enough. Or maybe smaller. Maybe that's too big. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so now I want to change the color of this thing because it looks awful like that. Okay, this is Ryan and this is me. I am green. Cool. All right, so this is 1, register, and then this is 2, start. And then, so this, I'm gonna put this here, over here. 1, register, 2, start, and then here is where Ryan calls this other API with slash API slash race slash whatever slash token. Oh. Okay, so this thing, and then again, so race, and then race ID, and then token. Yes, yes, race ID. Race ID, and token. We call that, and he sends what? The token. He sends a token, right? Right. Sends the token. How did you know what the implementation needs to do? Well, Ryan kind of explained it to me because I was very lost. Oh, wait, no, the racer implementation. Well, yeah, the same thing. So here in race start, here, like he pointed this to me, and I didn't want to read it because I'm lazy. And you can actually see that on the stream that I did not want to read it, but I read it. Okay, I read it. So it takes me to the racer API, and then the racer API explains some other stuff. So that's how I kind of made that connection. But yes, so this sends the race token, and then I return the racer ID like this. Yes. This sends the token, and then I return the racer ID. So I need to get this information from here. That is the tricky part. Racer ID. Okay, so this is 3. Token, racer ID. Okay. And then we do the finish. Yes. So you somehow need to send the token from the Racer API to the race client, or retrieve it from the race client from the Racer API. Yeah, whichever you do, like this token is important as well. So I'm gonna put it here. And then, so this token is gonna be here. This Racer API is gonna be here. You send this over here and you get this. You send this here and you get this. Okay. I don't know if this makes sense to anyone else, but it makes a lot of sense to me, so that's good enough. And then finally we finish with the lap and the finish. So we do the finish. Let's do it over here. So from here to here. Yes, we do the finish. Yes. Okay, 4. Finish. And this comes back as well. Okay, so in the finish, I am sending the token which was retrieved from here somehow, and I will receive just a okay, basically. Yeah, that's all. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I send the token and I receive the okay. So the tricky part here is how to communicate these two. Let's do no. Yeah, this one. From here. Oh my god, that's awful. No. No. I think I'm gonna put it on the top. I don't know if... Oh. Looks like there was something deleted from UD, but I don't know how to... I don't know. I think you sent a whoa and it deleted it. Yeah. I don't know why that happened. That's fine. Okay, so is there any... Oops, no. I guess not. So let's just use this thing then. From here. No, again. This one. Okay, from here to here. Something has to happen to send this token somehow. So let me put it in a different shape. Yeah, whatever. Let's just do here token. And this can be in gray. Yeah. Actually, can I move this? No, I can't. Okay, whatever. So here, this token has to be sent somehow between these two applications. So that is the issue. How to do that? Okay. So far this works, which is great. And then I think Jerry in the last stream was saying that maybe we can use some sort of MQ to do this. And I was thinking we can also use object store, but object store would have to be using like the REST client, I guess, because otherwise these two apps are not gonna be able to talk to each other. But anyway, this one works. So let me... Why is this not changing? Oh. Yeah, this is... What changes did I do here? I don't know, but it works. Good enough. Yes, yes. Stop opening this. No, stop it. And then the response. Yes. Good, good, good. Alrighty. So now let me commit this. Final details, I guess. And now I need to publish this, create. Wants to sign in. What? No, don't sign in. No, leave me alone. I think I need to... Oh, because I have the workspace. Okay, hold on. So I have the Anypoint Race API. I have Exchange, the workspace, and I have the app. I'm just gonna do it with GitHub. That's just easier. Manic would be disappointed in me that I'm using this thing instead of the terminal, but I don't care. Add existing repo, repository path, documents, GitHub. Please don't tell him the... Okay, Anypoint Race API. That's the one. Open. Add repo. Okay, so this is done. Publish. Oh, I do need to authenticate. Anypoint.milsoft.com/git. What? That's weird. So with like this thing, is that for studio? No, for... Wait, what? No, okay, I don't trust you anymore. Now let me do the terminal. Let's do new window. Okay. Documents. GitHub. What was it? Anypoint Racer. Okay. And how did I add the thing? Let's go to GitHub. Oops. Repos, new, no template, that's me. Anypoint Racer API, right? Anypoint Racer API, yes. I'm gonna ignore that for now. Create repo. so this is... You're talking to the Nightbot. Okay, push an existing repo. Here we are. This is what I wanted. So now let's add this here. Oh, what? Oh, yes, I scolded me. It scolded me for using caps. Yeah. Wait, how did I modify the remote? Oh my god, I haven't used this in so long. CD git. Don't remember the things, so I'm just gonna go ahead and config. I don't know if I should be showing this stuff. So I'm just gonna do this really quick. Hold on. Oh. Okay. And okay, let's change this really quick. Okay, so the... Oh, because the origin is going to Design Center. I couldn't care less about Design Center. I just had to put it in Design Center because it wouldn't let me work. Okay. So yeah, now it makes sense. Like it's trying to make me send this to Anypoint platform instead of an actual Git repo. Okay, so I changed the URL. And now I'm gonna change the user. Oops. Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Okay, I think I have what I need. All right, so I config that stuff. Now let's see if that will work. Let's do the other stuff. Oh, I lost the terminal again. Oh, because it was asking me. Okay, never mind. Just gonna do it here. Oops. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, now I can push. All right, that should work. Yes, that worked. Okay, now we have the git ignore, the Anypoint Race API RAML, the exchange, and the Anypoint Racer app, which is the actual mule repo. Source main mule, and this thing. Okay, beautiful. So there's that. Now, I kind of want to add CI/CD to this because I'm gonna send this to my mule app. So dev.to. I have here some stuff saved, and I have the quick reference for the CI/CD. So, or should I just leave it there for now? Ah, that's all right. I'm gonna do this later. Well, there's that. There's in a repo, so you can go check it out if you want. That's my Racer API, so this one. And now let's do the other one. So I'm pretty much done with you. Okay, yes, I can close this. Close this, yes. And now let's open a new window. I hope the collections from Thunder client are still there. Okay, yeah, still there. The environment variables are still there. Okay, cool. Now let's open documents, GitHub, Anypoint Race API, MuleSoft. So this is the one that I was running before to like just run it forever. So I'm gonna do that again. First of all, I'm gonna pull in case I need to pull something. I did some changes, really. Hit pull. Okay, up to date. I'm in the main branch. So slow. Okay. Tooling project. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Let's just add that. The settings.json. Yeah, sure, whatever. And did I have any changes here? Don't show me the thing. What are these changes? Let's see. Duplicate. I guess I can close this. I can close this. I'm gonna keep this open just in case. Okay, so season 1, Anypoint Race API MuleSoft. What is the change that I did? Source, main, mule. So I have the scheduler, the request, and the request, and the logger. Scheduler, request, scheduler, request, request, and logger. It's the same thing. I don't know what I changed, but okay, let's just add it. Why not? Final stuff. Commit. Sync. Okay. Beautiful. Now let's see this. So I can see what changed. And I also don't have CI/CD running here, so I guess that's fine. Right? I don't have actions. No, I don't. Okay, that's all right. So what was this commit? Oh, it was just formatting. It didn't actually remove anything. Okay, that's all right. So now I am gonna name this version or season 1 season 1. This is the main branch. This commit. And the release title is gonna be final version from season 1. I'm not gonna describe it for now. Let's just generate the release notes and attach the binary. So let me go to my mule, my other mule account, or let me open it from another window because I'm lazy and I don't want to sign out and sign in again. Anypoint.mulestuff.com. I don't have it saved. Okay, fine. Fine. Sign out. Martinez Mule. I actually have it saved here. Not now. Proof. Okay. So this is my actual MuleSoft account, like the enterprise account. And this is where I was running the thing because I didn't want to do this every time that my trial account stopped working. So that is mainly why. It's this one. Anypoint Race API, MuleSoft jar. So let me download this. Sure. Oh, I even had put versions. I didn't see that. Okay, cool. So now let's... Where is my downloads folder? Here. Okay. Here's from... Okay, publish release. I'm mainly doing this so I can remember what I did. Because otherwise I will forget. And this way I will have access to the source code or to the actual jar. I just started doing this with my Battlesnake repo, and I figured I might as well do it with the rest. So this way I have here like the actual commit, and I have all the stuff. If I go to the commit, I can browse files here, and I can actually access this whole thing from that specific commit, which is awesome. Anyway, so that was the final version from season 1, and now I am going to be doing the changes for season 2. So that is why I wanted to save that before I started. So this is the other project. This one I haven't opened it with Visual Studio Code, so I don't know if it's gonna work, to be completely honest with you, but we'll see. We will see. So I just have one flow here. Oh, I said I had the scheduler, the request for the start, and the request for the finish, and that was all. So every certain time this was running, basically. So now I need to go back to my whiteboard to remember what I was supposed to do. So from my race client, the first one is to use the register, which I already did. So I don't need to do that again. I have this information. And if I don't have it, I can just run my Thunder client again. For the register, send, and here I have my info. Okay, so I had created default.properties. I'm gonna put this here so I can modify display name. I want this to be Alex Martinez, actually. I don't even remember if this was used, but oh well. Client ID and client secret, I'm sending them through the console, so I don't have to keep them here, but I still put them here so I don't remember about them. Then the racer ID is this one. Now this will change. The host, this is for the thing. So environment. Okay. So here I just need this. USA E2 cloudhub.io. Here. That's all right. Yes. Host. Oh, it's the same. Oh, I think it's the same. Okay. Self-host, self-port. Yes. Frequency. Oh, this was the frequency that I had here, but I don't remember if I changed it over here. Schedules. Yeah, every 900 milliseconds. Yeah, it's fine. That was what I had. Okay. So there's that. That's actually in CloudHub 2.0. I guess I was running this from Studio and I was deploying this from Studio. But you know what? I'm gonna remove this because if I do this again, it's gonna do it from Anypoint Cloud Builder and it's gonna create a CloudHub 1 instead of a CloudHub 2. Do I have any properties? Yeah, I have the client ID, client secret, and frequency. That's all right. Delete. Yes, I understand. Okay. So there's that. I don't think I need anything else here, right? So I send the name email, I get the Racer ID, I have that. Then I need to send, oh, the Racer API URL. Okay. Racer API.url. And this would be, I didn't save it, did I? I probably didn't save it because that's who I am. Oh, I have it here. Okay, good enough. I will change this if I need to. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Race API, Racer API, racer.api.url. Okay. This is the Racer API, and then this is sending the token, this is returning the Racer ID, and I am getting back the race ID. Okay. So yes, I will have to send this token. Oh, I am not done with this. I still have to modify that. Okay. Yes. So let's do that. Let me open another window and put it over here. My computer is gonna cry because I'm running too many things. You know what? I'm gonna stop the broadcast in YouTube and LinkedIn so we can just do Twitch now. Okay. So bye everyone from YouTube and LinkedIn. If you're on Twitch, stay on Twitch. If you're not on Twitch, go to Twitch. Here, you can check it out. Twitch.tv/DevAlexMartinez. All right, bye from there. Okay, cool. Yes, cool. So now we are on Twitch only. And now I want to hear this music. Hold on. There we go. All right, so now I am solely on Twitch. I am all yours. Who's still out there? Please let me know who is still out there. In the meantime, let's open this. This was documents, GitHub, Anypoint Racer, API, open. Beautiful. Are you done? Yes, you're done. Okay. Okay, so I need to send this over to MQ somehow. And maybe I should just take this opportunity to go to my Mule Enterprise account. Yeah, maybe I should do that. So let me sign out. And now go to my 24 account and remove that application because it's gonna make my life miserable in a moment. And I do not want that. Diane, Whitney, Ryan, are you still there? Am I alone again? I am alone again. Oh, I am here. Okay. Yay, Diane is here. I am working on my app. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Let's do this. Okay, stop. Let's remove this app and I will have to recreate this eventually, the URL. Okay, stopped, delete. Yes, yes, delete. Now let me go to my enterprise account. Yes. Proof. Beautiful. Do I even have connected apps here, out of curiosity? I guess only the one for Battlesnake. I guess this is the one for Battlesnake. I don't know. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's the one for Battlesnake, but I'll check that out later. All right, runtime manager. And this one is the one that I wanted. Why did you not? Oh no, why are you implementing the local? Stop implementing stuff. You already implemented it. What are you talking about? Anyway. Oh wait, but I kind of need that too. This is what happens when I say that I'm gonna work with Anypoint Code Builder only. I'm kind of regretting it now. Okay, let's do that again. New window. Oh, it closed on me. Beautiful. I am so proud of you. I am using Studio. I guess that's a smart thing to do. I'm just having a very, very bad time here. Just gonna close everything and come back here. Maybe I should open the workspace instead of opening just the folder, because Anypoint Code Builder kind of freaks out. File, open workspace. Okay. Okay, so now documents, GitHub, Racer, workspace. Okay, now I am here back with this weird thing. Okay, so now pretty please, can you now open the visual thing? Okay, still running. Okay, it's preparing now. And let's open the data weave response again, because I kind of forgot what I was doing there. Okay, so I'm sending the token in the payload. So whoever calls this is gonna get the whole thing, which is Ryan. But I still don't understand why this payload is only outputting the token. That's just weird. It should output this whole thing, but oh well. It's just outputting the payload. Message logger. I don't know. That's fine. We just need the token anyway. Okay. So there's this. Here it is. And now here I want to send an async thing. And then here I want to talk to MQ. Okay, never mind. Let's check out the connectors from Exchange. Anypoint MQ. Okay, so publish, right? Publish, consume. Oh, I'm missing. I'm gonna have to do the listener grab here. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I'm missing the config. I hate that I have to do this manually. MQ. Consume, NAC, publish, subscriber. No. Is this the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing. I need the configuration, people. No quick fixes available. Damn it, I will have to search for that. Where is my thing? Here. Yes, yes, yes. Anypoint MQ docs. That's the only thing that I hate a lot right now about ACB, is that I kind of had to do all of this manually because it doesn't give me the XML thing. Using Anypoint MQ. Just give me the XML. XML reference. Okay. Thank you. That wasn't that hard, was it? Configuration, parameters, config types. Just give me an example. Oh my god, just give me an example. You are zero, give me an example. What about here? Maybe here. This is the publish. I need the config. Please, just give me the config. I just need the config. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. Why are you not giving me the config? Maybe, okay. I will have to read then, I guess. Oh, what are you looking for? I'm looking for an example of the XML config to set up the Anypoint MQ. So publish config ref, the config ref for configurations. I'm gonna have to search in one of my previous things. Okay, the global config. Yes, the global config. Exactly. I think I have one here. Yeah, I have it here. Okay, this is what I wanted. And you know what? I'm gonna create new file, global.xml. I'm gonna reference to those global stuff. Yes. So first I'm gonna copy these two. Oops, nope. Okay, beautiful. Or actually, yeah. Then like this, and I'm missing a closing mule. Save, save, beautiful. And now I want to create the MQ, Anypoint MQ. Ah, I can actually create it here. Yay! Yeah, that's the one. Anypoint MQ config, and then name is gonna be race MQ. Is that it? I guess. Name and connection. Okay. And I need the connection here. So connection. There we go. Client ID, client secret. Oh yeah, I do need to provide those. Damn it. Format. Where did this come from? I don't remember. ID from Anypoint platform and connected apps. Okay. So I need another connected app anyway. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Let's call this Anypoint Race. And does this say I don't know what permissions I need here. Oh, MQ. Let's just select all. Why not? MQ. Yay. Thank you, Diane. And you know what? Let me add the ones for the CI/CD now that we are there. Design Center Developer. I'm just gonna put them here in the other screen so I can do this quickly. View environment, view organization, profile, Cloud Hub, organization admin, create applications, delete applications, download applications, read applications. What happened? read servers. Okay. MuleSoft, Sandbox. I don't need design for here, right? I'm gonna assume not. Add scopes. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave this here. Okay, there's that. Save. Okay, now I have this thing. I do not want to show Chrome we're launching an hour. Leave me alone, Chrome. Okay, copy ID. I'm just gonna put this somewhere safe, because I do not want to share this. Client ID. Connected app. Client ID. And client secret. Oh, I think I copied the wrong one. This is Anypoint Race. Yeah, I copied the wrong one. And the secret. Okay. Now I have it. Sweet. Okay, so I have those. I will have to put here a property. And do I have? I don't have properties. That's all right. Who needs properties? I do. New file default dot YAML. I guess. No, I can't. I can't do YAML. I have to do properties. Default dot properties. Yes. What is this? Oh, because I haven't. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So race MQ is never used. Oh, but it will be used, my friend. You just wait and see. There you go. Anypoint MQ publish, it's the same thing, I think. Yeah. Sorry. We don't need that. What is destination? Destination. Publish. Oh, it's just the name of the queue. Okay. Right. I will assume yes. Okay. Let's name this, or actually let's use the default properties to name that. Okay, so anypoint MQ dot dot u token. Let's name this token. And here, let's put this anypoint MQ dot q. Beautiful. That's all right. Publish. Yes, okay. What was I doing? Forgot. Okay, anyway, that's gonna publish that. I think I'm done with this. Oh, I need to put the client ID and client secret. That's what I was doing. So these are gonna come from property that I will send. How did I provide this property? I think from Maven, right? Hope so. Client ID, client secret. I can also just ignore it and put it in Cloud Hub directly. Anyway, I'm gonna add them here just to know, but I'm not gonna add the actual properties thing, client ID, client secret, and TPD. Okay, so client ID is gonna be here, and client secret is gonna be here. Save. Perfect. Okay, so this is gonna post async. Oh, it did not load this thing. Ah, because I'm in the wrong thing. Yes. Okay. So now we have the async, and the async is gonna publish the Anypoint MQ. So it's gonna publish the token. This is called token, right? And that's pretty much it. And then it continues. So this is async. This is gonna happen in the other way, because I don't really care much about error handling at this point, so that's fine. Then we're gonna do a transform message. Let me format this document. Transform message, and finished, and returns the payload. Perfect. Looks good. Let's deploy this. I will have to log in. Open. 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 Sandbox. Oops. Is there a reason why? Oh, wait. Stop. Oh, well. Is there a reason? I guess it's in the POM, but is there a reason why this is being deployed to CloudHub 1 instead of CloudHub 2? And again, yes, I think it's because of this, but I am not sure. So let me check. Oh wait, which one is this? App, API, POM. Yeah, it's that one. Damn it, it is deploying to CloudHub. Didn't get to stop it on time. That's fine. Runtime. Oh, I have to create the MQ, I think. So let's create it. US. I think we had said, or I don't have to create it. Oh, I think I don't have to create it. Oh, I do have to create it. What? Log into Anypoint platform, click MQ. If you want to test the queue in Anypoint Studio 7, switch to an environment, accept prod. Oh, I need to be in sandbox. Switch. Click destinations plus. Okay. Queue. Add icon creates a new queue or exchange. Click the add icon to display the menu. Select queue. We said this was gonna be token. And 7 days, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Queue and names can contain up to blah 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 if you want. Okay. That's good. Assign default delivery delay, encryption. It's all right. I'm not gonna go through a lot of things. That's all right. Okay. Now that's good enough. I don't have the message sender. Oh, I have to be inside this thing. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I like it. I think I have never done this before. And there are client applications here. Test. Oh, this is different from the other client app. Delete. Yes, it's cool. I taught this last week. Okay, so Diane, is there a difference between the client apps here in MQ versus the client app that I just created in Access Management? Because that's what the thing said. It said it had to be from Access Management. Oh wait, they're different things. Oh, this is client app. The other one is connected app. Okay, never mind. The connected apps. Okay. To use connected apps with Anypoint Q, you must use Anypoint Q. Sure. Okay, no, it is there in Access Management. So, okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's what you did this. Yeah. Okay. I was confused because there are client apps here, so like both start with a C, client connected. Thought it was the same thing. Okay. I'm not sure about them. Okay. Fine. I guess this is like a more granular way of accessing it. Perhaps it will let you use those credentials as well. I don't know. Anyway. This is still deploying. Yes, maybe. I don't think I need this anymore, but I'm gonna leave it open. And let me open Runtime Manager. We need to investigate. I still need this. I'm gonna leave this open. I'm gonna leave this open. I don't need this anymore. And I'm gonna leave this open in case I need it. Okay, so this is deploying my Anypoint Racer app. But again, I would like to have this in Cloud Hub 2 instead of Cloud Hub 1. So what is it that I need to change? Well, so this should be version 1 because I already started with version 1. Where does it say? Wait, this is... That's all right. Oh, because this is the RAML. Never mind. I don't want to mess this up. Thank you. This is the same group ID. I hope this doesn't start failing once I move this, because I created this first in using Martinez 24. Oh well. But where in the world? Oh wait, there was some deploy.json here. Application name, worker start. No, that's not it. Where? Maybe there I can, let's see, deploy.json MuleSoft. What does that do? Oh, this is an ACB thing. So maybe ACB is always deploying to Cloud Hub too? Perhaps that's the thing. Deploy a Mule application to Cloud Hub. Yeah, it just says the same thing. Deploy. And yeah. It doesn't really tell me. Maybe it's not possible and that's it. Could be. Why not? So maybe I can just do it with Maven directly. I'm gonna try to do that after this. So I will need this then. I don't need this because I'm not gonna do it with GitHub. Or maybe I should just do it with GitHub. Why not? No, I'm scared. I'm gonna do it with GitHub. Let's just do it with the POM thing. But this is also for Cloud Hub 1, and I kind of want to send it to Cloud Hub 2. Let's see where this is. Mule Maven plugin. Here it is. So, deploy Mule. No, what? Yeah, Mule Maven plugin. Cloud Hub 2. Deploy applications to Cloud Hub 2 using the Mule Maven plugin. Add the Mule Maven plugin. Publish and deploy exchange assets. Is added. I need this. Can I just use this instead? Environment, Mule version, username, password, application name, deployment settings, public URL. Let's see, configuration. Was not successfully deployed? What do you mean? Property not found. Oh, sorry. Anypoint MQ client ID. Oh, I forgot to do the properties thing. Global. I don't need you for this. Okay, global. So embarrassing. Properties, secure properties, configuration properties. Yes. File, default dot properties, configuration properties. Save. I think that's it, right? No, you would just have to see the fun I am having over there. Over here. Heh. I guess it's more fun when you are not the one failing. Okay. Deploy. You said this is so embarrassing. Deploy. Why you not let me deploy? Do I have to be here? Oh my god, this is dumb. Okay. Sandbox. Redeploy. Okay. And while that happens, I'm just gonna change this to... Where do I change that? Because this is just nagging me that it says snapshot. Snapshot. Oh my god, it was not even here. Bum. Snapshot here. So let's remove this thing. Save and exchange. And save this. Snapshot. Okay, save this. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. Leave me alone. What is this error? What happened? Oh my god, not again. Okay. I'm sorry for trying to change it to snapshot. I will never do it again. I promise. I'm sorry for trying to make things better. Now what? You are in big trouble. Okay, you know what? You are annoying. I'm gonna delete you, and I'm just gonna try to do it in Cloud Hub 2. Let's do this. Configuration. Bomb. Mule. Maven plugin. Configuration. Here. Format document. Okay. Why does it say dependency analysis has failed? I don't know, man. Okay. So anyway, MC environment. I'm just gonna hard code anything at this point. Sandbox. And let me double check what I had before. So yeah, sandbox. I don't have any target stuff. Okay, this applies the same. Target name to deploy the app to, either specify a shared space or a private space available in deployment. Use a value from the list of region. Okay. Okay. So I want this in East, right? I don't remember what I had the other one. Maybe I shouldn't have deleted it. Okay, this is in US East, in North Virginia. Let's just do that. North Virginia, yes. Okay, target ID. So that's what target is. Was this not? Yeah, but it's region. Huh. US East 2. Cloud Hub US East 1. Okay, it changed a little bit. Mule version 440. I think this is the same. If I'm not mistaken. Well, it's not here. 440. Oh, wait. It's in the Mule artifact. Yeah, 440. Okay. Good enough. And I'm not gonna use username and password. I'm actually gonna use connected app. I think this is the same thing. Client ID, client secret. I'm gonna pass this. I saw this here. Connected app client ID, connected app client secret, connected app run type. Yeah, it's the same. Client ID, client secret, run type. Application name. Let's name this Anypoint Racer app. Anypoint Racer app. One replica, one B core. Is that what I was using before? Well, I just have one work. I guess that's good enough. Public URL. Public URL? What do you mean by public URL? Public URL. Oh, URL of the deployed application. I don't know. Do I have to set it? When set to true, Cloud Hub generates a public URL for the deployed application. This parameter is used only for applications that are deployed to private space. To share space, always get a generated public URL. So, how do I set that up then? Shared. Specify either a shared space or a private space. Okay. But how do I set it though? I mean, I understand what these are, but I do need a shared space. So how do I set this shared space? I don't understand. What if I just write something random? Will that work? Let's do something random. Let's see if that works. Let's put Anypoint Racer app.anypoint.com. Okay. Let's see if that works. Oh, I can uncharted territory. Yes. I can also encrypt this using Maven. So I can just set it there. Tempting, but no. I'm not gonna do it. You are tricking me into adding my credentials. Alright. If I click on deploy now, will this deploy to Cloud Hub 1 or to Cloud Hub 2? Let's see. Also, I am not passing any credentials. So if it's deploying to Cloud Hub 1, I guess it's gonna work. But if it's deploying to Cloud Hub 2, it should tell me that there's an error because I didn't put any credentials. So I can also just do it with Maven instead of doing it with Anypoint Code Builder, because maybe just Anypoint Code Builder is not ready for Cloud Hub 2. I don't know. And Simone is not here to answer me, so c'est la vie. Así es la vida. Así es la vida de caprichosa, a veces negra, a veces color rosas y en la vida. Yes, our secret ninja. Mofi was telling me about the secret ninja yesterday, that people call her the secret ninja. That was cool. Still deploying. I guess I can see now where it's being deployed. Ah, damn it. It's just deploying to Cloud Hub 1. Alright, that's fine. I can figure that out later. You know, if it works, that's good enough. At least I'm gonna be able to continue, and then I can figure that out. But if it fails again, then I'm gonna check why. But anyway, the other thing, this other thing. Okay, D, bye. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you get your app running. Let me know. Have a nice weekend. Bye. Distribution management. I don't think I have that. Let's see. No, I don't have that. I would have to add it. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this in Cloud Hub 1 until it works. Then I'm gonna figure it out. Anyway, let's continue with the other implementation for the client app that is actually gonna be calling everything. Open folder, documents, GitHub, Anypoint Race API MuleSoft. Okay. Okay, so here global. I already have the stuff. What's happening? Stop. Listener, configuration properties, request config. Okay. So I'm gonna need to add is deployed. Oh, it's deployed. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. So now, where is my global? API kit config. No, that's not it. Anypoint MQ config. This is what I wanted. And I already have the configuration properties. Yes. So I just need to add this thing. And I need to add, before I save that, I need to read the token thingy. Ah, there's only one. Okay, Anypoint MQ. What? Okay. Consume. So now that I have the consume, now I can refer to this raise MQ, raise MQ, and destination. Where is it? Destination unknown. Here. Config ref, raise MQ, yes. Anypoint MQQ format. Now I need to create the anypoint MQQ in default.properties. Default, where is default? Okay, so this client ID, client secret. What is this? Unknown element. Cool. Anypoint MQ, client ID, client secret, and the token anypoint MQQ. Cool. So here I receive the token. So if I go to my whiteboard, I am yes. What am I doing? I'm just putting dots. Ah, damn it. Okay. Yes, so wait, no. So this goes. Now we have a queue. No, this is not it. Let's use this one. Token queue. Okay, good enough. So we do this. No, why did you do that to me? I want to change this, resize. I want to resize. Why are you not letting me resize? There. Okay. So wait. Move that. Let's put this token queue further. Now we can connect from here to here. Okay. And then from here to here. Okay. So here, this is, wait, so I send the raise ID token. This creates a token. Asynchronously, this is gonna send, publish token. And this is gonna be async. So asynchronously, I publish the token. After this, then this comes back with racer ID. And then I will receive the token, consume it, and when I consume it, I'm gonna send it. Okay. Consume token. Okay, 3, 4. I guess this doesn't have to be async then, right? It has to happen first, I think. I don't know. We'll see how that works. Oops. And then I am going to consume the token before sending the finish. Okay, so then now this has to be 5. And this has to be 6. After reading it. So this is no longer a scheduler. This is now a consumer. Oops. A subscriber. This is a subscriber now. So destination is this thing. Config ref. It's this thing. Okay. Now, as soon as I receive the token, oh, I still need the racer ID. Oh, crap. So I call start. I receive the race ID. Then I call finish. And I should consume the token from here. Two, 3, 4. This comes back, this comes back. Okay, I'm gonna remove register. That's just confusing everything. Okay, let's do this one. Start. Send the racer URL to Anypoint Race API. 2. The race ID token is sent. 3. Asynchronously, I publish the token here. And then for the racer ID, or like rather 3 as well, the racer ID is returned. And then Ryan returns the race ID to me. Oh, but I don't need that, do I? Or yeah, I think I do. Finish. Thunder client. Where's finish? Finish. Yeah, I need the racer ID. So racers, racer ID, races, race ID, finish. Okay, I do need it. Okay, so I send races, race ID finish, I send the token. Let's make this smaller. So this is this. I send the token, so 3. 4. The race ID is returned. 5. Okay. The race ID is returned. 4, 5. The token is sent in finish. And 6. This is done. Success. So then when do I consume this token? I need it here for this. So this should be then 5. Get this race ID back. I consume the token. 6. I send the token. 7. Success. Okay, this is how it works now. All right. Okay. So this is start, this is races, and this is race ID token thing. Okay. So then this is not a subscriber. I'm just gonna have to get it. Oh no, not this one. This one. You are not a subscriber, sir. And the scheduler stays there? No, I don't need a scheduler now, right? Oh yeah, I need it, and then it's gonna start. And then it's gonna send this. So it's still gonna send just 2 requests. Okay. So now I'm gonna move this here. So this is still a scheduler, but now, so first of all is a start. So not yet you. This is the start first. And it will go here. No. Okay. Why is this showing me a warning? What is up with that? I don't know. All right, so request start HTTP request, and the path is quote API / racers. Is this still the case? Let me see it here. Start. Let me close everything. Okay, start is API racers, and then racer ID, and then start. Okay, this stays the same. Headers are the same. Yes, client secret, client ID. Beautiful. I have all those, right? Racer ID, yes. And I already put the new one, didn't I? D21. Yes, I already did that. Okay. So there's that. And then I need to send this body. Okay. So how do I do that? Body. Okay. Let's do the whole, or actually just output application JSON ... And just put all of this here. So raise URL. And then this should be here. Yes. Racer API URL. So this whole thing is gonna be p ... and then what? Oh, mule p racer API URL. Okay. Why are you not working? No, leave me alone. Other places are using it and you're not saying anything about those. What are you talking about? It's still gonna say me stuff. All right, whatever. Racer URL. Maybe I need to do this to make it shut up about it. Raise URL. Yeah, I needed to do that. Okay. Good enough for me. Raise URL, mule-p, Racer API URL. Racer API URL. And this goes to Cloud.io API. Yes, perfect. So this is the body. HTTP request, headers, and body, and that's all. The Racer ID is also there in the thing. Correct. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's the first one. This is gonna return the race ID. But that's not what I need, right? Or actually, I did this. This returns the race ID. Yes, I need the race ID. I'm gonna save that. But then I did this whole thing, so there should be a token published already. Message browser, get messages. There's nothing there. Pretty please. Damn it. Oh, look. Now it's outputting the whole payload. Beautiful. But, oh, there was an issue with MQ, I guess. Valid API URL provided. MQ, US East, organizations. What? Anypoint MQ connectivity at /token publish. Invalid API URL provided. Am I missing something? Anypoint MQ. I may have missed some configuration somewhere. But it's not my credentials, right? Oh. API URL. Let's see. What did I miss? Okay, the region URL for the queue from the Anypoint platform MQ console. This looks similar. Organizations, but I need the organizations. Okay, this is that. Interesting. Okay, let's see the MQ. Queue settings. No. Copy connector version. Interesting. US East 1. Maybe I need to provide the whole URL. Let's do that. Parameter URL. So not here. Oh no, yeah, here. Oh no. Crap. Oh, my Chrome restarted. I hope I didn't lose anything. Okay. Okay, it's coming back. Phew. Was worried that for a sec. I forgot that I was doing this on the desktop and not in the web. My God. Okay. Now let me just check that everything's in order. Come on. Yeah. Whatever. It was in the racer, not in the racer. Yes, this one. Okay, so probably here, URL, no. No, not here. And the global then. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the global. URL. Okay. There we go. Oops. Now, this is the default value. And I'm gonna check the default property. Let's see if that fixes it. Maybe it doesn't. Valid API URL provided. Okay, so it wants this whole thing, pretty much. So URL. And you know what? Yes, let me make this some code so I can add mule properties. So organization ID. Anypoint MQ. Org ID. Anypoint MQ. And environments, env ID. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so Anypoint MQ, org ID is this one. And environment ID is this one. Okay. So let's see if that works then. I'm just gonna copy this. Racer API, deploy, sandbox, redeploy. All right. While that happens, let me add that here as well, just in case I will actually need it. All right. So where was that thing? Oh, it was in global. Oh, let me just copy it. It's this one. URL. In case I do need it, then I already have it. This is never used. Really? Then what am I using here? Oh, I don't have any listener. Okay. Fine, I will remove you. Just because you asked nicely. And here is where the URL goes. What are you doing with your life? What do you mean? This is written perfectly. I don't know what you mean. Okay. There's that. Anyway, I was doing this thing. So after this, I'm gonna consume. I send the start. Then I consume the queue. Yes. Okay, this is gonna start again. And this is gonna restart. That's all right. Ah, here. So this is done. Now I'm working on this because it's not publishing the thing correctly yet. This is done, this is done. And then I get the race ID. I consume the token. I need to save the race ID. Okay. Before consuming, I need a transform message here. And this has to be message. Oh, no, actually, variables. Variables. Variable. Why do you hate me? Just why? What was this? Race ID. Yes. Get race ID. Well, thank you for nothing. Let me copy my other transform message because you are useless. I also don't have it here. Oh, it's not under message. Oh no, I have it under variables. And then this has to be variable. I guess. And then what goes here? Oh, it doesn't tell me, damn it. I'm gonna assume that it's the same as this. Ah, here it is. Variables. Oh, it's set variable. Set variable. So transform variables, set variable, transform variables, set variable, variable name. Race ID. And this should be the payload. Or actually, payload dot race ID. Right? Yeah, payload dot race ID. I get the ID in the variable after consuming. Then I send the request to finish. Oh, wait. No. This is the other way around. The race ID. Okay, yes. The race ID comes before the consume. Okay, yes, so start, get race ID. Yes, I send the start. I get the race ID first from this. Then I consume whatever is on the queue. Then I send the finish. Race ID, then consume, then finish. Yes, perfect. Okay, this is up again. Let me see if this works now. Pretty please. Pretty please. Application deployment will continue. Error was failed to connect with Anypoint MQ service. Unauthorized. Okay. I get a different thing now. I'm just gonna keep getting unauthorized. Authorized against auth server. Cannot log in to authentication server. Not authorized. What did I do wrong now? Anypoint MQ. This thing. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove that. Nope. No. Why am I getting unauthorized? Oh, okay. I know why. I know why now. I didn't add the properties here.
Oh yes, the sleeping pills.
Yes. So, yes, I left them as TBD, if you remember correctly. Oh yes, I also need to update this. What was this for? Oh, this was for... Yes, the authentication. Okay, so I need to update all of those. client ID, client secret. So let me leave them as TBD. Then I'm gonna add them. Anypoint MQ, client ID, client secret. Okay, so table view. Well, these two, I don't care if you see them because you would only be benefiting me, so that's fine. My applications. Am I not? No, I'm not logged in. Signed out, log in, log in. Oh, shoot. Log in. Okay, Anypoint Race API. My applications. Am I logged in? Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this again. Never mind then. Or you know what? No, yes. Let me log in from here. Yes. Come on. Because it's late. Doesn't let me do this now. Why are you not working? Damn it. Can I just input it? Okay. Beautiful. All right, so let's just create a new application from here. Anypoint Race API, request access, season 2, create new application. Warm up, request. Okay, client ID. Now this goes in here, the Racer app. Oh no, did I delete what I had? Ah. Okay, client ID, client secret. There you go. Client ID. Client secret. Oh, I'm gonna have to register again with those collections. Well, global environments. No, it's not here actually. It's in settings, headers, client ID, client secret, save. Okay, now register. Now this is my new Racer ID. Where is the default? Oh, it's not here. It's here. Racer ID. Now I'm so gonna take this. Wait, where is the register? Racer ID. Okay. I'm also gonna put it here. Racer ID. Okay. And then these two. Yes. And I do care about those. So I will have to add them as secured. Mule artifact. Secured properties, I think. I'm gonna double check that that's what I think it is. Developer.mulesub.com. Start tutorial. Secure properties. Secure properties. Almost. Anyway, there's that. And you know what? I'm gonna get rid of the changes I did to the bomb. I'm just gonna stick to mule. Oh, it wasn't here? Ah. Okay. Oh no, this is race. Wait, so I need to change the racer ID in the other one, I think. I'm getting so confused. Default. Oh no, I don't. Okay, good enough. But I am gonna remove this. This is just not worth it right now. I think this was the only change I did. Okay. Oh, so this is the Anypoint Racer. I only need this one. Damn it. Okay. So these are the things. And I need to put this in the mule artifact as well. Cool. All right, so let's deploy that. That should work. Racer, deploy, allow, open, open. What? Anypoint mq.client ID. Okay, but it's there though. I don't see the issue. I have this. Yes, to folder properties. Okay. I don't know. Anypoint mq.client ID. It is there. What do you mean? Maybe you mean over here? Let's apply changes. And after that finishes deploying, I'm gonna try again to see if that works. Oh, this is so time consuming. Hate it. Hate it. But I feel like I am so close. I'm just so close. Why did you? Leave me alone, last pass. Okay, I was watching MQ. If this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna have to leave the settings like that. Oh, I shouldn't be using object store actually. Anyway. Ah, I hate this. I hate this. Because it's not gonna let me deploy until this is done. I think I'm done though. I registered. This is my new racer ID. I put it in my default properties. Then I'm doing the finish. Yes, I'm missing that. Okay. So after reading the consume, now I need to send races, race ID finish, and the token. Racers, racer ID, races, race ID. Is that it? Racers, racer ID. Racers, racer ID. Races, race ID. Races, race ID. Okay. And this race ID now will come from the variable as opposed to the payload. So now this is vars dot race ID slash finish. Yes. Beautiful. In the body we have the output. Wait, should body be over headers? You know what? Just in case, cause it got mad at me with the other thing. So okay. So now this body is the payload. Just leave it like that. Output text plain payload. Payload is from this consume. So good. Yeah, let's leave the default thing just in case. And the headers once again are the same thing. Cool. And that's all, right? Okay. Then I'm just gonna receive the success and that's it. And I am outputting the message payload. And let me just add another logger that says finished. Okay, this is pretty much done. Okay, this is done. I can now send this thing. Where is it? Okay. Oh, maybe I need to provide it. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I see what you mean. Okay. Anypoint MQ client ID. There. Client secret. There. Sandbox. Oh, that's beautiful. Redeploy. So I guess I didn't need to add them from the settings. Perhaps. We'll see. Wait, let me check this out before I show it to the world. Okay. See, still says TBD. I guess until it really starts deploying, I will be able to see if it worked or not. Loading to Cloud Hub. 20%. 26. 30. 40. I feel like I shouldn't be drinking coffee, but oh well. That's just life. Okay, it's supposed to be deploying now. Let me see it first. I don't want to be showing my credentials around because that's my enterprise. Okay, cool. These are hidden. This is done. And I cannot see them, right? Yeah. Okay, kudos for Anypoint Code Builder. Like, Studio doesn't do that for you, so that's cool. Really appreciate it. All right, so now that should work. Oh, my back. You know what? In the meantime, let me also send this to Cloud Hub. And let's see all of these changes. Close all. Okay, so mule artifact. Yes. Added the credentials. Added secure properties. Commit. I'm just gonna do one by one. This is the racer. Just a thing. Anypoint MQ. Okay, added MQ. And changed version. For the POM. Now for this. Open changes. I cannot see the changes because it keeps just showing me the graphical view. That is annoying, to be honest. But oh well. What are you gonna do? So something changed here. And added the async. Okay. Added. async and publish. Okay. Separated global elements into global.xml and created default properties. Perfect. You know what? I'm also gonna change this. Not gonna commit that. I'm gonna put it in the settings, in the properties here. Org ID. Oh, let me just copy this thing. TPD. Oops. TPD. TBD. Okay. And okay. I am fine with showing this, honestly. I mean, as long as you don't have the credentials, I don't think you can do a lot with that. All right. Oops. Deployed. Okay. So now that it's deployed, I'm gonna save this so it does the thing again. Cool. Yes. So added properties file. Commit. Sync. Okay. Now we'll see if that's a good first version or not. It should be here now. Perfect. Now let's, no, I'm not gonna add the README yet. Well, I can kind of based on this thing. Okay, let's add a README. Where though? Let me add the README from here and then I'll know where it's supposed to be. Add a README. Yes, commit changes, commit changes. Okay, there's the README. Now let's pull. Here's the README. Perfect. Now let's take this thing. Anypoint Race API. This is the, where is the thing? Start post. Racer API. that I implemented for the Anypoint Race. Okay. Postman CLI GitHub Actions. This no longer applies. This is for season 1. And also a link to the Anypoint Race API version 2. You know what? Let me Anypoint Race. Just gonna add the speedway thing. This one. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this. Or, yeah, okay. Race portal created by Ryan. This is the link. And you know what? I'm gonna put Ryan's. Oh, no, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Oh my god. Come on. You can do it. Anypoint Race API, GitHub repo. And I'm just gonna put this. And I'm not gonna put Ryan's LinkedIn. Race portal, Race API, GitHub repo. Okay, just to give some how do you say that? Recognition to Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Okay. Anypoint Racer API. Beautiful. Now commit, updated readme, some changes, okay. Okay, this is done. I don't think I need this anymore. This is Racer API. Okay. Now let's change this. Anypoint Race Season 2. Topics, Anypoint. Is there an Anypoint Race? Nope. Anypoint API. Anypoint. App. You know what? No, just RAML. API. MuleSoft. mule for Anypoint code builder and Anypoint Studio as well. I did it in both. Is there a mule app? Mule applications, good enough. Okay, save changes. Racer API. Oops. Okay, so this is done. Now let's see if it works. Let's call start get rid of this racer ID. We said that I already updated it, right? I just want to make sure before I actually do this thing. Settings, headers. Okay. I think these are not my headers from this application. Let me just check. Oh no, they are. 3B. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. So we did the register. Let's do the start. Send. Okay. This is the race ID. Now I hope. Yes! Here's the ID. Here's the token. Beautiful! Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes. Hello again, some progress. Why you don't create some properties that you know that will change and update them on the runtime for the faster deploy? Nice. Yes, I'm just trying this out to make sure that it works. Oh wait, this is the ID, this is not the actual message. Oh, this is the message. Okay. So now if I take this and I put it in the finish here, it should work. Right? Yes, it worked. Okay, so now I know this application is working. I can close this. Now I have to focus on the client that is calling this whole thing. So let's see. Okay, let's close everything first. Close all. Okay. Mule artifact.json. Okay, so I have the same thing that I did before. Added secure properties in mule artifact. Then the bomb. Added MQ to bomb. Then this thing that it's not gonna let me see what was the change. So what are you doing, Catspan? What's the plan for today or tomorrow? I'm just very caffeinated. I just want to get this over with because I do want to participate in the race and I never had time. I am loving currently Git Kraken and VS Code for the programming. I feel like I've heard that before. Git Kraken. Tomorrow I will wake, go to the gym, and go to a fair to eat some Francescina. What's that? And good for you for going to the gym. I just can't. Yeah, this looks so... Oh, yes, I remember what this is. A lot of people were using this as a UI before the GitHub desktop application came out for, like, I don't know if for Mac or something like that. But yes, I remember this now. A lot of people were using this as a client application. back when I was like manic and I just wanted to do everything in the terminal. Bread, cheese, and beef, Portuguese sausages, good sauce. You can check on Google. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Okay, this is supposed to be removed in 2 minutes. It was created 2250, 54, but it's actually been more than 2 minutes. Maybe I need to do a manual acknowledgement. Oh no, because I'm not doing this thing. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna delete it though, because I don't want to do something wrong here. And about you, you drank some energy. I drank coffee. I drank a lot of coffee and I'm still drinking coffee, so that's why I'm like so hyped. I just want to get this over with. I'm just gonna add this whole thing. Client ID, client secret, racer ID. Again, this is the new one, right? 61. Let's see. Thunder client. Go hard or go home, since you are in home already. Let's go far. Doing the code. Yes. Okay, now I have to check again because I had the two open and now I'm confused. Okay, yes, these are the correct settings. This is my racer ID 9E. 9E. Okay, yeah, this is correct. And then the racer API URL. I need to check that. Anypoint Racer app USE2. Anypoint Racer app USE2. Okay, yeah, this is good. Oh yes, I have to take off these two. Org ID, env ID. And I'm just gonna put them in Cloud Hub. Perfect. So sweet. Okay. Changes to the flows and stuff. Sync changes, okay. Beautiful. I don't know why this is red. It kind of worries me a little bit. I think it's good. I don't know what this is red. Anyway. Oh my god. Stop, stop. I check your book of MuleSoft for Salesforce and I am curious about it. You bought it or you want to check it out? I have it here in the background and I also have one here. I hope it's good. People say it's good. Okay, gonna deploy this now. Deploy. Yes. Okay, now it's asking me for the client ID and the client secret. Sandbox. Cool. Okay. Started. Not yet. I am checking some store to buy it. I guess your best bet is gonna be Amazon. I don't think it's gonna be available somewhere else that easily. Okay. Anypoint Race API MuleSoft has started. Beautiful. Settings, properties, text view. There. Not gonna save yet until this is deployed. Oof. Okay. Now let's add this to my thing. Portugal is hard to find some book outside Amazon. Oh, I also have a Kindle, but I like the real version to take some notes. Yes. Well, if you're going to TDX, I can just get some books if you want more. I can, or just one. I can just get it for you and give it to you there. If that's what you want. Let me know. If you're going to TDX, I mean, I don't know if you're gonna be there. It would be cool. I think it's in March. I'm not sure. Okay, so here. GitHub stats, MuleSoft repos. Yes. TDX, an integration event. Yes. TDX, Salesforce. Trailblazer DX. I will buy. Yes, that no problem. Okay. Cool. Here's TDX stuff. Here's the link if you want to check it out. Save the date for Trailblazer DX 2024. I think it hasn't announced that yet. But last year it was in March, if I remember correctly. It doesn't say anymore. But yeah, okay, yeah. March 7-8, 2023. This was this year. So maybe it's gonna be the same, more or less, I hope. Anypoint Race API. Okay. Season 1, Season 2. And this is Racer, Anypoint Racer API. Racer, Anypoint Racer API. Anypoint Racer API. There we go. Commit. Oh, San Francisco. That's far away. My boss will be mad. Oh, that sucks. A lot of people just go into those events because their bosses tell them to go, like me. Anypoint Race API. Season 1, Season 2. Okay. Beautiful. Maybe I can just put a note here. Season 1 finished. Ongoing. Maybe I can put a little card here. Where are my emojis? Car. Yes, love it. Anypoint Race API. Season 1, Season 2. Is there an M that I can put here instead of that? M. Oh yeah, there is an M actually. That looks better. Anypoint Code Builder. What can I put here? Let's put ABC. CI/CD pipeline. I think there's like a refresh. No. Cycle. Yes. CI/CD pipeline. Let's put this one. Data weave. Transform message. Is there something to transform? Oh my god, there's trans. Literally trans. Because it's a transformation language. I hate this. And I love it. Should I put this one or this one? Nah, maybe some people are just gonna say stuff. Is there a D? No, it's not a D. Is there a W? Nope. Blue. Data weave. Well, I can put a little card because I love it. Okay, that works. And mule apps. Just a laptop, a boring laptop here. Mule apps. Okay. Let's see how that looks like. Commit. Commit. Okay, Anypoint Code Builder, Anypoint Race API. Season 1 finished, Season 2 ongoing. Nice. CI/CD pipelines. Let me put here Season 2. Sorry, Season 1. Parentheses, just to know what that means. There are no releases, nothing here. This is Postman. Postman collection. Postman test. Good enough. Okay. And then the 2 already says Season 2. Anypoint Race API running with MuleSoft deployed in Cloud Hub. Client. Let's put client here. MuleSoft. I should get used to doing all of these. MuleSoft app application, Mule app applications, Mule 4. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I hate to add tags and so on. Well, I'm hoping it gives me more visibility. Cloud Hub. What else can I put here? Well, I'm using Anypoint MQ now. Oh, there's not a tag. Well, I'm gonna add it. MQ. I asked ChatGPT to do it. Oh, that's smart. I always forget that exists. That's alright. Okay, I'm gonna add a release here for version 2. This one is fine because I have nothing else here, so this is always gonna be the last version. There's that. Anypoint Race API, that's that. Okay. That should be it. Is this done? This should be done. Now I have to apply these changes. Right. Org ID, emp ID. Okay. So I think it looks best. Like it. Cool. So now I have to wait, and eventually I will have this. Oh, I should also save this, because this is gonna be useful. For me, at least, if no one else finds it useful. Okay. Save this. And I'm gonna upload it in both. Just gonna do it here. Way easier. Anypoint Race API. Or no, I'm just gonna do it directly in GitHub. That's just easier. And let me just refresh to make sure that I have the latest version. Okay. Desktop. Diagram. And your folder, images. Diagram. Cool. Let's add here the image. I always forget how to make this smaller. How did I make this smaller? Damn it. That looked nice. Thank you. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh wait, I didn't push this. Did I? Let's see. Anypoint Race API. MuleSoft. Git status. Git push. No. Huh. Or maybe I updated it in the other one. Yeah, that's probably it. Season 2. Yeah, that's it. Or no, you know what? Let's just do this. And this is the race client. And I don't need this. And then I can copy this other thing. Okay. To run the Anypoint Race. To run the Anypoint Race Season 2. Race client from the diagram below. Cool. Let's see how that looks like. Added diagram and updated readme. Nice. That looks good. Now let's do that here. And new folder, images. Diagram. And what was this one? Ah. CH Racer API. Underline and italics. Oh, it doesn't do this. Ah, that sucks. How can I do underline? Nope. Ah, that's fine. CH Racer API from the diagram below. I am so close. I'm so close. And then this thing. Okay. Images, diagram. Oh, and I'm missing the thing. Lovely. Oops. Ah, well, never mind. Let's just leave it like that. CH Racer API from the diagram below. Awesome. Updated README and added diagram. Come. Beautiful. 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 Oh no! What happened? Is this the last logger? Race settings. Oh no. Log. Yeah, that's the last logger. Damn it! HTTP post on resource. Unauthorized. I think I provided the wrong credentials. Yeah, I did. They're these ones. Oh no, you're not supposed to see. No, yes, you're supposed to see that. You're not supposed to see these ones. Okay. Access management. These ones you're not supposed to see. Client, connected apps, Anypoint Race. Oh no, but this is, yeah, this should be, yeah. What? Yeah, this should be good. What are you talking about? Oh no, these. API race. No, this is supposed to be. Oh my god, I'm so confused. I'm missing credentials. That's it. Source, main, resource, default. I'm missing these two. Okay. I am missing the ones from there. I have the Anypoint MQ. And I have, yes, I'm missing that. Don't stress, I created some properties for that. Yes, I am missing that client ID, client secret, and this is this one. Client ID, client secret, oops. Okay. Client ID, client secret. Yes, you can see these ones. Okay. Now let's wait again. Ah, I am so close. I am so close. This is the last thing. This is the last thing. One, two, three, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. It's done 2. Yeah, I'm gonna close these 2. I am so close, so close, so close. I don't need this anymore. Hall of Fame. Oh. I don't appear twice. That's interesting. Speediest. Haha. And then, welcome to Anypoint Race, Sir Alex Martinez. Yes. Any news? Okay. Come on. Oh, please. Pretty please. Just give me this one thing. Oh wow, I've been 3.5 hours on this live stream. That's cool. Cool, 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 cool. Now it's the time. It will work. The Nightbot blocked your pride love. Damn it, this is the second time, Nightbot. How can I tell you to chill? Nightbot, can I talk to you? The bot is very friendly. Moderation. I don't know what I'm doing. I remember setting up the moderation, but I don't remember how to change it. That's alright. It will come to me in a dream, probably. I also think I reached my peak with my battle snake. I don't think it's going any further because it's not very smart. So 94, 96. Okay, it still went up a bit. 94, 96. I'm kind of just doing this manually because I want to see what's happening. Okay, so sweet. 94. I will work on that eventually. For now, I just want this to work. Okay, it has started. Okay, started posting stuff. It's posting stuff. My god, it's posting stuff. Ah, it's failing. Damn it. Internal server error. Start. Just internal server error? What do you mean? HTTP post on resource. So this is my racer, right? Just to double, triple check. Let's see. register. Damn it. Am I doing at least one of these? The Thunder client is like Postman for perform requests. Yeah, it's basically the same, but I got mad at Postman today because I was using this extension and it signed off my account. I'm like, I don't have time for you. So I just downloaded Thunder client and I'm just using that now. What is this thing? Location JSON, raise URL, racer. Damn, Postman is being a bad boy. Client secret, client ID. I do have this now, right? I did put them. Yes, client secret, client ID. Okay. So what is the issue then? Why are you not working? Can you give me more information? Well, too many requests now. But you were failing for something else before. Too many requests. Too many requests. I should probably take it down a notch because I had like... What? It was two... Wait a second. It was 2 requests per minute, which sucks. Too many requests. 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 Too many. Too many. That's totally expected, but I want to get one of the other errors again. Too many. Too many. Too many. Oh my god. Ah, here it is. Internal server error. In the start. HTTP request. New P racer ID start. Body. Race URL. Racer API URL. So what do I have there? Ah! Which am I running now? The race. Documents, GitHub, race. Come on, pretty please. Okay. So Racer API URL. That's what I wanted to check. Where is it? Default. Racer API URL. I have it. Anypoint Racer app. Activating the HTTP verbose for more debug maybe. I don't want to. Let me just check if this is correct. Collections, start. Okay, it's supposed to be this one. Oops. Yeah, it matches. Okay, so that's good. Well, it's also creating messages, which tells me that it is reaching there. Yeah. So it is creating the stuff. So it is reaching the Start. Internal server error. What is a payload? Is it actually... Oh my god. Is it actually... Yes, it is posting... It is posting tokens. So then what is your issue? I don't want to see the flow. Oh well. Might as well see it now. So it's a scheduler, it's a start. It's sending the Racer API URL with the headers. Then it gets the race ID from that. And then tries to consume the thing. Oh, the start. O sea, yeah, the start is triggering this thing correctly, right? Now I need to see the diagram again. Okay, so the start is correctly triggering this, but then something is happening here, the internal server error, that it is not returning me the race ID. Payload null. Maybe the URL plus the path is wrong. Okay, look, racers start. Okay, so this is correct, I think. Let me check. Start. Where is it? Where I can see the thing. Snippet. Yes, snippet. I think this is correct. Or not. Racers. Let me put it here somewhere else. API race. CloudHub.io. Oh. It's adding a port. I don't know if that's what is breaking this. And then API. Racers. Oh! Oh, did I miss again the racer ID? I'm just... Okay. So, let's open these two from here, because this makes my life easier. Okay, so this one is source, main, resources. Are these just not matching? Is that it? Racer ID. Source, main, resources, default. Oh, I don't even have it here. Then which one is my racer ID? Let's see my applications again. So 17F8. Settings. F8. So this is correct. Let me just put it again, just in case. Show 99. Save. Okay. There are no spaces. There's nothing there. Okay, save. So this should work. Yeah, it's gonna tell me too many requests now. Let me stop this. Okay. So I need to do the register first. 6.1. Yeah, that's the same that I had over there. Environment, global, racer ID. Save. This is done. And then this. Start. Okay, now I get the server error. Invalid or missing racer ID in racer API response. Okay. So the issue is with the other one. Racer ID. Yeah, it's wrong. I think I forgot to update it here. Somewhere. I think I was hard coding it and I forgot about it. Okay. Mule, Anypoint Racer. Yeah, I think I hard coded it. That was it. Yes, I hard coded it.